In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Teams on Mac. We'll go through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have Microsoft Teams ready to use on your computer. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before you begin, because we'll be downloading the app from the official Microsoft website. First, open your preferred web browser on your Mac. This could be Safari, Chrome, or any other browser you like using. In the address bar or search box at the top, type MS Teams and press Enter. This will bring up the search results for Microsoft Teams. From the search results, look for the official Microsoft Teams link. It will usually say something like Sign in Microsoft Teams and will be on Microsoft's official site. Click on that link to open the Microsoft Teams page. It may first show you a sign-in page, but don't worry, we're here to download the app, not sign in yet. On the Microsoft Teams page, look for the option that says Download Teams. This is typically located near the top of the page or clearly highlighted as a button. Click on Download Teams. This will take you to the main download page where Microsoft offers different versions of Teams. On the download page, scroll until you see the section for desktop versions. Here, you'll see an option labeled something like Download Teams for Mac. Make sure you select the Mac version, not the Windows one. Click on Download Teams for Mac, and your browser will start downloading the installation file. You'll usually see this file appear in the bottom of your browser window or in your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and locate the Teams installer file, which will typically end with .dmg. Double-click the file to open it. A new window will appear with the Microsoft Teams icon. Often, you'll be asked to drag the Teams icon into your Applications folder. Do that to install it properly. After that, open your Applications folder and double-click Microsoft Teams to launch it. Follow the on-screen prompts, which may include confirming permissions and signing in with your work, school, or personal Microsoft account. Just carefully read each prompt and continue until you reach the main Teams interface. And that's it. You've successfully